Cryptography, the art of secret writing. It has been used for centuries to protect sensitive information from prying eyes. In today's digital age, cryptography plays a crucial role in securing our online communications and transactions. But what exactly is cryptography? At its core, it is the science of encoding and decoding messages. It involves the use of mathematical algorithms and keys to transform plain text into unreadable ciphertext and vice versa. There are two main types of cryptography: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric cryptography uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. This means that the same key is used to both scramble and unscramble the message. It is fast and efficient, but it requires a secure way to share the key between the sender and the recipient. Asymmetric cryptography, on the other hand, uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is used for encryption, while the private key is kept secret and used for decryption. This allows for secure communication without the need to share a secret key. Cryptography is not only used for securing our online communications, but also for verifying the integrity and authenticity of digital data. Digital signatures, for example, use cryptographic algorithms to ensure that a message has not been tampered with and that it was indeed sent by the claimed sender. In addition to its role in securing our digital world, cryptography also has a rich history. From ancient civilizations using simple substitution ciphers to modern-day encryption algorithms, it has evolved and adapted to the changing needs of society. So, the next time you send a secure message or make an online purchase, remember that cryptography is working behind the scenes to keep your information safe. It is a fascinating field that continues to play a vital role in our increasingly interconnected world.